Hi everybody, this is Sean Heidemann. I'm the designated broker of Position Realty. Today I am at my new listing. It's a HUD foreclosure property. It's in the Sun Village community. The address is 14450 West Zuni Trail, and today I'm doing a virtual tour of it. So, and also before we go look at it, if you are interested in submitting an offer, you would go to the hudhomestore.gov and search for the property, and then it gives you an option to bid on the property. It is an auction, so definitely go take a look at it if you're interested, and after this video. So let's go take a look. Comes with a 2-car garage. Here's my sign and contact information. There's the foyer here. Off to the right is the kitchen. And it's got a little eat-in kitchen area. And a little bit of a bar there. The countertop doesn't jet out too much, but if you replace the cabinets, you could always put a bar there that jets out. So then here's the living room. Now this particular unit, there's not a lot in here that come with a wood-burning fireplace, so this is unique. And as you can see, it also has bookshelves on the sides of the fireplace. Comes with shutters on all the windows, which helps with the your heating bill during the summer. And it also has vaulted ceilings. Really nice vaulted ceilings that gives it a luxurious look. And over here is the formal dining area. And off there is the master. His and her sinks, and then the toilet and shower is over on this side, and then on the other side we have a small walk-in closet. And let's go take a look outside. Here's the outside patio. It's got a nice covered patio. So here's the patio. And then you got a little bit of a side yard over here on the side. And a side fence here in between the two properties. And then we have a den here. Here's your laundry room. Got a hallway bath. One sink. You could always put in a second sink if you want it, and it's got a shower. You see, you can put in a second sink next to it. And then here's the second bedroom. It's got bookshelves on the sides. Sliding closet. And then there's no power on right now, but this is the garage. It's a two-car garage. It has cabinets on both sides of the garage, and then it's got a little nook area here where the water heater is. You can kind of see it. That concludes my virtual tour of this listing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me under the more information below. I have all my contact information there, and social media, email, my contact information. So, and also, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.